Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing DukeDennis getting girls' numbers with a flip phone in Miami. Let's get into it.
Hey, 900K, man. Today, bro, that merch out too, man. Link in the description, man. Let's go, man. Y'all make sure y'all sub up, bro. Hey, the board say, Q and Dirt, not fucking nothing, man. Them is not gonna hit nothing while they in my head.
No, not me.
Hey, not him. This bro, Q and Dirt, not gonna fuck. Hey, what you think, man? You think you gonna hear something while you down here, man? Think you gonna hear something?
I'm just enjoying the scenery.
What?
Just, you know, that's how
I feel you, my.
He said he ain't worried about it, Duke. You ain't gotta mess with him. Just cause you getting all the girls.
But I ain't hearing nothing about
smooth
that.
criminal.
Huh?
Smooth criminal.
You a smooth criminal. You trying to back up me last night?
I didn't mean to.
That's tough right there. Hey, look, man. Man, stop getting in trouble, man. Don't tell him what he did. Free my dog, though. You know what I'm saying? See this right here? I need that right there. I need to give me one of these right here. Where they at? God damn, baby boy. Hey, I just seen that video you put in my phone, man. What's up, my boy? I just want to spend some money, man. Hey, I just want to spend some money, man. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of bitches with this flip phone right here, man. Huh? Oh yeah, baby girl. Goddamn, dribble and shoot, baby boy. Hey, dribble and shoot, man. How many numbers do I can get with this flip phone right here? With a flip phone.
Y'all been to Miami? Is that Collins Street?
Right here, huh?
Oh, no. No.
But you ain't gonna do nothing, man. You can't get no number with this right here.
Oh, I can't.
I think when you with them motherfuckers, they gon' you might get about a good 10.
But look, I'm gonna secure the number first. I'm gonna, hey, you know what I'm saying? You got a boyfriend? Yeah. So let me get your number, type boom. And when they say yeah, I'm up.
Oh, what the f is that?
What? So I'm gonna pull it out. And then I'm like, what the fuck? You know, so I'm like, hey, put your IG in there too.
That motherfucker real?
Nah, I just bought it for like $30. 30, right here, 30.
Gone as fuck.
Hey, about 30.
How they that low?
Oh yeah, you like that right there?
I was just gonna say the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Damn, bitch.
What's up, man?
I ain't tell. Look, you on you.
My dog got some pretty eyes, man. Dog got some very nice eyes, man. Let me go get some numbers, man. Hey, chat, man.
Wait, are y'all taking a picture?
Nah.
Okay. Can I take a picture?
Oh yeah, you can take a picture. Take.
Come on. You're not even taking my picture for real.
He taking your picture.
I swear to God, he not.
Bro, you gotta really pose though, bro.
Child, you getting on video. You on YouTube, sis?
I am.
Yeah, y'all gotta pose. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Pose.
Did you really get it? Can I see?
Still going.
It's still recording. You're bullshitting. That's a video. This is real life.
Yeah, this is real life.
I thought that was the fucking.
How you doing?
That's my head. That's my head. If we're on YouTube, that could be on Snap.
Oh yeah, yes, ma'am.
You're really get the camera. Yes. You gotta get in it too. Come on.
I gotta record.
But you can't be in it.
Yeah, he could be in it, man. He could be in it, man.
I love it. What y'all doing? What y'all get into?
Oh, we chilling, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, matter of fact, I need your number, man.
You need my number?
I need your number, man. You know what I'm saying?
That's your phone?
You gonna put me like that right there? Hey, baby, you gonna put me right there, right there?
That's your phone?
Come on, your number or not, man.
Put that back up. Put that back up. You don't need
Hold
that.
on, it's a video. Hold on, don't do it.
You don't need that. I'm like, you don't need that. It's big.
But it's fucked up though, boy. You judging niggas off their phone, boy, my dog is grabbing that ass.
That's what I'm wondering. Like you.
You judging niggas off their phone though.
Hell no. I would have gave you my number still. Like, that's
But niggas,
touchscreen?
Nah, I just bought this. I'm just doing it to see if I can, you know what I'm saying, type shit. Yeah,
You probably ain't gonna get no numbers.
I'm already knowing. It didn't work with you, but it's gonna work with somebody else.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Maybe.
Yeah, I do need your number for real though.
You need my number?
Yep. What's your name?
Nicole. NICHOLE.
I'm just gonna hit you with
Oh,
my
you
name.
gonna text me with your name, man? I'm gonna do that.
Yes, ma'am. Man, say that, man.
All right.
For sure. Nice to meet you though.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, what? Oh, yeah, I'm down though.
Alright, bet. Hey, look, man, Duke be working, bro. His story is motivational, man. That boy came from the military, hustling. Now he getting back to his dog. You feel me? I fuck with all y'all boys got going on, man.
Appreciate it. All y'all boys,
I know a story,
you out here going crazy.
Oh, get Dookie love.
You know, I be on the TikTok, like, they be like,
I already know who you is.
you know,
I know
get
you're
no fly real quick.
Yeah, man, let's do this, man.
Hey, most of I got in the building, man.
Yes, sir.
Come on now. I would say do right, do, but that boy got the.
Oh yeah, no more, man. I ain't doing that no more, man. You know
that
what
boy do out here. That boy
what you got going on? What you got going on? What you out here doing?
Hey, man,
I know what you out here doing, but I want to hear you tell me what you out here doing.
I'm out here working. I'm saucing. Then I'm finna go be in the smash this pass and do what I do. That's what I do right here.
You think you gonna get pass or what?
They smashing. And look, I'm not just gonna get smashed. I'm bringing them back. I need
you actually smash it.
Yeah. Come on now.
I'm with you. I be seeing you, boy. You be going crazy.
We all be working. All them boys be working.
Oh yeah.
Real quick, Instagram, all that. I know they know who he is already.
Nah, but but my shit filming too, man. Make sure y'all go check out my dog.
Hey man, look, extra wavy. Look, remember the name. Remember the face. Be all over the place, man.
Yeah. They don't see you all over TikTok, man. For sure, man. Hey, this video gonna be so fire.
He's so sweet. He giving love to everybody.
But I need to learn how to keep my laugh in. You know what I'm saying? If I keep my laugh in and actually be with a straight face, whenever they say, bro, what the hell is that? I'll be straight, but it's hard though, bro. It's hard. I'm gonna get it up. I'm gonna get it up.
Cause I do watch y'all. I got my gear.
What you say?
I said you're kind of as fuck.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Oh yeah. No, but
You look good too, man. For sure. I'm like, man, I need to get your number or something, man. Come here, man. Hey, look. Put your phone number in this right here.
Dude, why do you have a flip phone?
Alright, man, I can't do it, man. I can't do it. No.
You can't do it.
Yeah, man, I'm doing.
Not the flip phone.
No, I'm trying though. I'm trying to keep a straight face. I'm trying to keep a straight
What are
face.
you trying to do with the flip phone though?
I'm trying to see if I can actually get, you know what I'm saying, female's number with the flip phone, but I keep laughing when I pull it out.
Yeah, you gotta stop laughing.
Yeah,
You gotta be more serious.
If I start laughing, I can get it though.
Yeah.
Yeah, type shit.
Yeah.
For sure. Next time I'm be straight up, nigga.
You gotta be like serious face.
Yeah.
Like 10
Straight
times
up,
more serious.
straight up type
You
shit.
feel me? This is, you feel me?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
Duke, can I get your number type shit?
Yeah,
You feel me?
yeah.
And then pull it out.
Yeah, without
And
laughing.
then she start laughing, you be like, man.
Like, what the fuck you laughing
like,
at?
What the fuck you laughing at? You
Yeah,
feel me? Give me your number. Either you gonna give it, you're not gonna get it. Be like, I'm gonna find that nigga. What the fuck you talking about?
Oh, word? Okay, bet. Say less. All right, bet. You lifting your back toe like you're the
I know a better posture. Dookie, where you going?
Hey, boy. If you wanna try to put your
I mean, he finding everything, but sir.
ass on me, boy, I would slap the fuck out you,
I'm
boy.
not testing your limits.
I would slap the fuck out you, boy.
Hey, can I get like 30 seconds?
Yeah. My bad, bro. What you with?
You want a picture?
I mean,
You a pussy, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want a picture with you, my nigga. What's up?
Thank you.
No problem.
Can I get a picture?
Of course.
Okay. Yeah. What's up? Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Can I get a picture too?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Tell her to come here.
Amaya?
Yeah.
Amaya.
Yeah. Huh?
Sorry. What happened?
What's your name?
Amaya.
My name Duke. Nice to meet you.
You too.
You got a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Shit.
she said, yeah, but whatever.
Wait, was Kai here yesterday?
Yeah, but he gonna be here later.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. I saw him before. Ooh-wee.
Or is that fan behavior?
Of course not.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You look good or whatever. What's your
My
name?
name Duke. What's yours?
Desi.
Where you from?
Chicago.
Oh shit, some Chicago niggas just walked out,
They
man.
think they was finna get down on your ass.
Nah, they was cool ass niggas, bro.
Was they?
Yeah.
You gonna take a picture with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh no, wait. the bundles, you feel me? To get a second. They all poofy. I was looking for you yesterday.
Oh, you was looking for me? Well, you found me, man.
I know, right? How long you out here for?
About 7 minutes, man.
Yeah. What's going on? Stop playing.
Oh, man. What you say your name was?
Desi, nigga. Desi. Say that shit twice.
Desi, you got a boyfriend?
No.
I can have your number?
Do you have a...
What?
Do you have a girlfriend, nigga?
I'm out here talking to you on the
feel me?
strip.
Yeah.
I'm in public talking to you.
I feel you. Now I ain't got no boyfriend.
Yeah, I'm finna get that then.
Where you from?
I'm from South Carolina. I live in Atlanta, though.
Oh, goddamn. They say shit like that, don't they?
What you trying to say? I'm like country or something?
Yeah.
Type shit.
Very much so.
Okay. Yeah, man. Put
that motherfucker.
Put your number right here.
Excuse me, sir. What's going on? What you a drug dealer or something?
Bro, y'all trying to play me like that, bro. What you trying to? Yeah, man.
Goofy.
Telefono? What that say?
Nah, give me the real shit. Fuck you talking about?
Not the flip, not the trap phone.
Yeah, give me the real shit.
I was just fucking around with you, see what you was on. That's it, bro.
I don't give no fuck if you got a little flip.
Not the scamming line.
I was just seeing what you was on. God damn, that's it, man.
I know you ain't gonna text me. It's cool. Oh shit, I try to say my name, but I text you to my name though.
It's cool, I know who it is.
It's Desi. Say that shit twice.
I see you typed that shit twice. So just, you know what I'm saying?
We was looking for you. We was looking for you.
Oh, y'all really? As a matter of fact, yeah, what's up?
What's
Yeah,
up?
can I get a picture?
What y'all was looking for me for?
Why else?
Oh shit. I like that.
She on you. She on you.
What's up, man? You got a boyfriend?
No, you better
Okay, no.
Yeah,
No.
we outside.
Put your number in this right here.
Where's the Where's my
Where's the actual?
Where's Fanum at?
I need the actual.
Where who?
Where's Fanum at?
Yes, sir, man.
Where's Fanum at?
Hey, look,
Tell him to holler at me.
Hey, look, don't even worry, man.
I'm on Chris. Fuck that.
Hey, look, man.
Chris.
Where y'all from?
New York.
Damn.
So you already know the vibe.
Yes, sir. Hey, look, New York motherfuckers some good vibes, man. Y'all welcome to the crib, man. All y'all should, especially you.
Especially her. Yeah.
But yeah, nah, I got you. I was just fucking around. I just fucking around with you.
No, for real though. Where's my man? No, like, where's Chris? Tell Fam I love him.
Hey, Fanum. Man, she love you, bro. She really love you, bro. She came out here and found me for you.
Yo, it's crazy. So I smoked a little hookies with you. Well, I'm Dominican too.
I be watching your visit online.
You see that?
I ain't beef with that nigga, man.
Mama said, Fanum, when I said I was beefing over George.
It was about to go down.
Huh?
Switch that shit, bro.
I like that little board.
Switch that shit.
Yeah, you switched it.
Man, somebody had to tell him to do that, though.
Hey, you really gotta change that. Oh, nah, bro. That's my dog. Hey, it's a little altercation.
Changed it now.
What?
You changed it now, right?
You here? Okay. Hey, who is these goddamn?
I don't know.
Sound wild, man.
I'm working, man. Hey, look, I'm over here working, man. You know what I'm saying? But that's all it take, bro. Somebody start shaking their ass, the whole strip go crazy. But no bullshit, bro. Miami is just full of niggas literally chasing after bitches, like literally chasing after bitches. You see me? I'm not going up to no bitches, bro. I'm not saying it's
He ain't got to.
ain't wrong with going up to hoes, but I just can't find myself to just like chase after them, bro. And if they ain't coming up to me, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I don't give a fuck. Hey.
What's up?
Yeah, hold on. What's up, man?
What's up?
My name Duke. What's yours? Where you from?
I'm from Jasper, Florida.
Oh, so you from here? Where, baby?
No, it's North Florida, South Georgia.
It's far?
Yeah, it's like 7 hours from here.
Where?
Yeah.
You ain't no boyfriend in there, right?
Huh?
You ain't no boyfriend in there, do you?
Nah, you got a girlfriend?
I'm chilling, man. You know
Talk
what I'm saying?
somebody on D.
I wouldn't be on the strip, you know what I'm saying, talking to them type shit. Yeah, man, you need to put your number in my phone type shit. Alright, chill, calm down.
I didn't say nothing. I just did a little look back.
You just made a little face, and you know what I'm saying, type shit. I just want, you know what I'm saying, nah, but when you leaving from down here?
Probably tomorrow. I've been here since Friday. When you got here?
You been here since Friday? Nah, I just got here yesterday.
Oh my God.
Yep. I'm about to see you before you leave then.
Yeah, we gotta leave. Don't. I need a good picture, okay?
Oh yeah, I'm done.
Yeah, be doing the live chat. Hey, where the black one? I want a picture too. Take me a picture.
Exactly, man.
Oh my god. Oh, your phone.
Here around this motherfucker.
I'm gonna take my pic.
How long y'all gonna be out here?
Shit till like Monday, Tuesday type shit.
What y'all doing tonight?
Shit.
I know I was looking for an old boy, but I want a fucking
She choosing.
selfie. I don't want no picture. I want a video. I want to see the grills in your mouth, honey. Let's see if they shining. Shining.
But they be like,
Y'all know who it is. Y'all stop playing with him.
so what y'all doing while you're asking?
My homeboy throwing a party and shit, but what y'all got playing?
So we trying. We didn't know what we wanted to do. Go to the
Oh yeah? I need to get your number or something, man.
Where y'all from?
You said what?
Where y'all from
My
at?
phone. It's right here, man.
You. No, what's your number?
I'll put my number in your phone.
You lying.
Hold on.
Too wrong for be lying.
I'm not lying at all. I'm not lying at all.
But what? Thank
I was just fucking with you with that. I didn't want to see what you know what I'm saying?
Y'all be playing. I watch your YouTube videos.
Oh yeah. Damn, bro, ain't nobody going for that, bro. Ain't nobody going for the
Nobody going for the flip phone.
phone, man. Yo, there's gonna be one person that do that.
I get the bitch that. What's that long? I already know. I mean, it's guys outside, no lie, bro.
You been out here, man?
We just came out today.
Word.
We was here last weekend. 2 active, so we had to come back. Damn. So right back. We had till like Monday, I think.
I'm here till Monday. I'm already tired of this shit, though.
Tired? Tired? What you mean tired? What you mean?
Hell yeah, you seen Kai?
Nah, I ain't seen him.
That nigga's
I seen him last year.
He finna be on his way. This one I'm waiting on. Oh,
Y'all already know y'all.
Yeah, what's up,
Alright, I'm gonna let y'all. Y'all about to get stopped. OD. Nice meeting y'all, boys.
So, my nigga.
Catch y'all, bro.
Everybody running. You know what, but in life, man, it's either your time or it's not. You know what I'm saying? Everybody running, man. I ain't running, man. You know what I'm saying? Take it. Bro, you know what, boy? Everybody ran. That's understandable. I just hopped the fence, man. That's it, bro. I see you running too, nigga. Don't think I ain't see you.
Sprinting with the
Yeah,
camera.
I know, nigga. I see you running, nigga.
Hey, when you see somebody run, you just gotta run, bro.
Hey, where my homeboys at though, man?
They going be in that?
I saw them.
Hi. What happened?
How you doing?
I'm doing great. How you doing?
Fine as fuck.
Shit,
I'm sorry. I gotta give you another hug.
Okay, I appreciate it, man.
I don't know. They said they started shooting.
Hey, where was you at though? No, you wasn't. I stayed.
On my mama, you ran, nigga.
That's what I'm
On my mama, this nigga ran, bro.
But he gonna say on my mama right there, bro.
On my mama, bro. On my mama, I looked at you. You took off. You probably stopped. But you definitely ran, bro.
Cap, right? This cap, ain't it?
I don't know. I saw you start. I saw you start to go, and then you.
Nigga, you start jogging.
Look.
Shoot, ain't no Simon running.
I done like this right here and jumped the fence, right?
I don't know. You jogged a little bit.
No, I jumped the fence to get out of the way.
Okay, well look, that's what I'm saying. I see you goddamn start doing shit. So I'm like, all right.
Look, right over here. I came and jumped the fence. I caught him. I said, CB, chill.
Hey, you know what?
But nigga, I knew, nigga, I stopped like where the tree was at.
I'm gonna get on my door right now.
All right, bet.
You want one too?
Oh, that's fire right there. What y'all got going on later?
I think we ordered this party.
Word, I need to get your number.
My number?
Yes,
all right,
ma'am.
let me put it in your phone. Hold it.
Yeah, man.
Okay, babe.
Yo. This it right here? Okay. I'm gonna definitely be hitting you up. Nah, dead ass though.
I'm Show.
Huh?
Show.
Show?
Yeah, Show.
Spell it for me.
S-H-O.
I fuck with that right there. All I had to do was keep it calm, bro.
I'm glad it finally worked.
What?
I said, this the one right here.
I guess I just gotta keep it calm, bro. I need to do a part 2 in Atlanta or something, right? Man, 70K for the part 2 in Atlanta, man. No cap, man. Getting females number with this flip phone right here is crazy. I'm not chasing after females, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm just letting them come up to me, bro. They rizzing me up, bro. I ain't rizzing, you know what I'm saying, them up. But that's a lot of motherfucking problem, bro. Like, every nigga out here is chasing after the hoes, bro. So now you filling up the bitch's head thinking that they the shit whole time, bro. The niggas is chasing, bro. Just chill. You know what I'm saying? That type shit. Hold on, what you saying your name was?
Dina.
Dina.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice to
meet you.
meet you.
YouTube?
Nah, I actually just bought this motherfucker the other day, so I'm just trying shit out.
Hey.
Hell yeah. Where you from?
Michigan.
Word?
Yeah.
You know what? I need to get your number, man.
You do?
Yep, put your phone in there right there, man.
Okay.
Oh, shit. You know what? you a very good, kind-hearted individual, man. You ain't judge me at all right here. Yeah, man. Nah, it's tough, man. Hold on. That's fire right there, man. You went straight forward, though. Well, I like to see right there, man.
This is my friend. This is my friend Pari.
I just bought this.
This is my friend Pari. Okay.
Oh,
I look good. I'm a famous TikToker.
Oh, what? What you be doing on
Pari
there?
the Brett. I be doing anything goofy.
Type shit?
Yeah.
For sure. Well, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes, ma'am. Bro, why the fuck I come back from being on the strip? Me and Davo been on the strip. The rest of the fellas got fat bitches eating all the snacks and shit. Hey, I just see. You hear that motherfucker got no clue. I'm gonna sneak this in like a motherfucker. Oh no, ain't nothing wrong. Sharing is caring, but nigga, we ain't even really ate nothing like that. They got them, she going in there getting 3-4 gummy bears. Man, the fellas tripping, man. Damn, bro.
Leave his gummy bears alone. Like, comment, subscribe, share. If you can, click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.